Tips that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has made many people rich. If you take time to learn more about it, you can discover a nice profit waiting for you. Turn affiliate marketing into a successful supplementary income by implementing the following advice. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, only promote products that are relevant to your market. If you advertise products that your customers will not be interested in, you will fail to make any money. Instead, promote quality products that will appeal to your customers and your profits will increase. Only deal with affiliate companies that appreciate your efforts. Check with various companies to see if they offer bonuses for numbers of customers, loyalty bonuses, or any other type of reward system. You will be working hard as an affiliate, so make sure you go with a service that allows you to reap the benefits of your labor. If you want or need easy access to your money, then select an affiliate company that provides multiple payment options. There are companies that will only send you your money after you have earned a specific amount. However, other companies give you access to your bank via e-wallet features such as Alert Pay and PayPal. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. Find a quality affiliate program to work with. They should provide you with the tools that you need to be successful. They will offer things like banners, recommendation letter templates and text links and teach you which techniques work the best under different circumstances. These things will make it easier for you to get started. Use the advice listed in this video to increase the reliability and profitability of your affiliate marketing business. Learning the established tricks of this trade from the experiences of veterans will benefit you substantially. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.